It is windy and it is dusty. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my gosh, it is just dusty. Hopefully it comes out of the video. It is just, and we have a fire. The way I'm pointing is north. Maybe this way we can go and see a little bit more. The dust. And we just had gusts of like, I would say what, 60? I mean, easy. It is just crazy. And the fire in Ranchmonger is the way I'm pointing it right now. Man, look at the dust. Wow. You can't even, it's supposed to be hot today, and look at this. That's the fire. That probably is from the dust and everything. There's another gust coming like that. Crazy, crazy.